Stylization is where texture turns from technical detail into visual personality. Today, how to create stylized noise speckles. Launch Photoshop and start a 1920 by 1080 canvas filled with a deep color like navy or burgundy. Create a new layer, fill it with white, then go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise at about 65% Gaussian monochromatic. Open Image, Adjustments, Threshold, and adjust the slider until bold, scattered dots appear. Change blend mode to overlay so speckles blend with the background tone. Add a gradient map adjustment, clip to the speckle layer, and choose two contrasting colors for a graphic look.